McLaren, the British carmaker known for producing exotic two-door sports cars and supercars, has a small stable full of thrilling automobiles. And while the 2017 McLaren 570S is at the bottom of its pricing ladder, it is anything but a cut-rate compromise. One of the fastest sports cars on the road today, the 570S is exotic and elegant. It will never get lost in a parking lot, but it pulls off the trick of being uniquely fantastic without seeming overly ostentatious. Propelled by a 562 horsepower twin-turbo V8, the 570S is capable of going 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and eventually reaching a theoretical top speed of 204 miles per hour. That incredible acceleration is all the more noteworthy when you consider that the 570S is a rear-wheel drive sports car, not benefiting from all-wheel drive like some of its competitors. The 2017 McLaren 570S is a two-seat coupe in the company's Sportline series. There's also a touring-oriented 570 GT that features a panoramic glass roof and a rear luggage hatch for accessing additional storage space behind the seats. The 570S does more with less. Less electronic trickery and less overall mass translate into exceptional handling that feels natural. You won't mistake the 570S for a grand tourer, but it manages a good degree of comfort considering how viciously it devours curves. Stiff cushions and a loud cabin are the biggest hurdles on lengthy drives, but an intake sound generator, ISG, allows occupants to lower the level of engine noise some. The 570S could be driven daily, but it doesn't completely escape the ergonomic challenges that many supercars face, being a few inches off the ground and having fancy doors come with trade-offs. However, the cabin feels roomy inside, and visibility is uncommonly good for a mid-engine car. McLaren's powertrain technology is amazing, but we aren't talking about it here. The interior electronics are less impressive, with a subpar rear view.